Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool single slot payphone. This is Larry's equipment from Tennessee, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool payphone. Now, we want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done. The handset has already been replaced. When this unit came in, the handset was cracked at the receiver capsule, the cap at the top, and at the handset it was cracked around the top like someone had slammed it down on the payphone in the past. So the handset was replaced. We were also able to save the logo, the sticker that's the advertisement sticker on the back of the handset, and we just replaced that original sticker onto the replaced handset. So we were able to save that informational logo that they had on the original handset that was cracked. So that was taken care of. Now Larry has already removed his locks, and he has new locks and keys to replace the old locks that were removed, and he has a T-key. So he's going to be taking care of that part of the repair. Now we're going to do a complete conversion on this unit, and we also need to install a bell, a modular line port so that Larry can bring in any length, any color line cord he chooses, plug right into the modular port. Makes for a simple, easy plug-and-play connection. We also need to build up our circuits for the keypad. The keypad is only a momentary switch at this point. Now there's an amplifying button at the top of this payphone on the left, and you're supposed to be able to push that button and make the volume or the audio for the handset go up. And since our circuit design is not going to include any type of amplification, because we're going to have plenty of audio with a circuit that we designed, we're going to make that momentary switch that's originally on this payphone a redial button. So you'll be able to hit that button and redial the last dialed number. We're also going to be including a switch that you can turn the bell off if you want to. So that will be included in our circuit design. We want to go through this unit and make sure that all the change is falling through the coin validator and into the cash box area. We're going to go ahead and do some still pictures of this really cool payphone. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We're going to go ahead and take a short break, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and redesign process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, now what we want to do is go ahead and put some change in this unit, and it'll go through the coin validator and fall into the cash box area. We want to start with a quarter, so we'll go ahead and put that in. We'll do a dime, a nickel, another quarter, one last dime, and one last nickel. And now Larry is getting rich with bubblegum money. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair and conversion of this really cool single slot payphone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now I also want to mention our amplified pickup that we have taped to the receiver. I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the payphone. And I want to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today, but if you hear any noise, it will be coming from the amplifier. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now we want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch this red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now we also want to show that in our circuit design, we didn't need the amplifier button that came with this unit originally. So what we wanted to do, since we already have enough amplification for the audio in our circuit design, we wanted to utilize that amplifier button and make it a redial button. So we're going to go ahead and give you some dial tone. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to go ahead and hang up. We'll give you some dial tone. And we'll hit redial. And the analyzer will end in a 2. So we wanted to be able to utilize that button, and we utilized it for a redial. And that worked out great that we were able to use it for a redial button, because we always like to try to incorporate any kind of a function that we can into the circuit design that adds a little more to the payphone. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we can call that number.
Today is Saturday, March 10th. The current time, 8:04 p.m. and the temperature, 59 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool single slot payphone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Larry and he can enjoy this payphone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.